Mianyang Guangxin Import and Export Company Limited is responsible for the export business of Sichuan Guangxin Machinery of Grain and Oil Processing Company Limited. Sichuan Guangxin Machinery of Grain and Oil Processing Company Limited is a professional enterprise specialized in the research and production of screw oil press, which is used to squeeze oil from oil-bearing plants, and its auxiliary equipment, such as seeds roaster, oil filter, seeds conveyor, and oil refining machine. The company was founded in 2008 and located in the scientific and technology city of China, Mianyang. The annual output is 8,000 sets of screw oil press and auxiliary equipment and 1,000 tons of spare parts. The company is one of the leading companies in the oil machinery field in China, covering an area of 50,000 square meters with more than 200 staffs. Sichuan Guangxin Machinery of Grain and Oil Processing Company Limited had passed ISO 9001 quality management system and adheres to complete and refined production technology and strict quality control and inspection process, keeps on unceasing innovation, and obtained a number of national patents. The brand Guangxin is famous in China and overseas. Guangxin Oil Machinery has been sold to Europe, America, Asia, Africa, and Oceania, enjoying decent reputations. Looking forward to establishing cooperation with you.